Hola people, I'm doing a bike check on my new bike. It's a 2011 Verde Prism in matte gray and purple and magenta. Okay. I have purple Hamilton PC pedals, Verde stock cranks, Verde chain wheel in black, purple KMC 1/8 chain, Verde Prism frame in matte gray with a 20.25 top tube, Verde hub, Verde stock wheels with stock rims, Verde pivotal seat with post combo. I took off the brakes because I wanted to keep the rims preserved or whatever. Same thing in the front. Verde cartel stem in black, duo Doyle purple grips, Verde handlebars with 8.1 inch rise. Yeah, that's basically it. It's 23.7 pounds. It's very light. With brakes plus pegs, it's 24.7 or 24.6 or something like that. Forks are Verde regular forks. This bike came out or got introduced to the US 3 months ago and got released this past month. So this is like one of the first shipments that they've had. Let you hear the hub sound. Yep, the seat post doesn't go out that far, that's why my wheel is on the ground. Yeah, you can see it's purple chain, purple pedals. Yeah, it kind of looks pink, but it's supposed to be purple. I guess I kind of got it wrong. Well, not got it wrong, it just looked different in the picture. Upgrades are obviously the pedals and the chain. Upgrades that I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the chain wheel or buy an Eastern Medusa 25 tooth chain wheel. And then I'm going to paint the stem or buy a new one, depending. I got dance comp stickers on it, regular stickers. 25/9 gear ratio. Basically, it's just a standard BMX bike, except it's really, really light. Like, I can pick it up with one hand. It's that light. Yep, so if you have any questions, comments, leave the questions below. Like the video, that stuff. If you have any comments on what I should put on there next, definitely let me know, because I'm up for anything, really. Yeah, so this is my 2011 Verde Prism in flat gray and purple and magenta. Hope you liked it.